everyone, so welcome to VIểT speaking test. So let's get started. What's your name?
My name is Linh.
Okay, Linh. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Very good. So how old are you? How old are you?
I'm good.
No. Years old.
One.
Con mấy tuổi rồi?
Con 6 tuổi.
I'm 6 years old. So what color do you like? What colors do you like? I like
My name is
I like red, blue, yellow, pink.
White.
I like white. Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Việt Nam.
Very good. So let's move on to the next questions. So what color is it?
Blue.
What color is it?
Green.
Okay. What color is it?
Red.
Red. Okay. What is this?
Chair.
What is this?
Red.
And what is this? Crayon.
Iron.
Okay. So what is letter A for?
Apple.
What is letter C for?
Side.
Very good. And what is letter D for?
Dot.
Very good. So what number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. And which country is this?
Việt Nam.
Okay. Which country is this? So what country is this? This is what country is this? It is Canada.
Canada.
Okay, very good. So this will be the end of our speaking test today. Goodbye everyone.